Hi, today is January the 7th, 2025. Welcome to the Kubescape community meeting. Okay, let me share my screen for the agenda. All right, I think the first one to start is Ben.
Yeah, let me check. Okay. Bup, 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 bup. What are we talking about today? Okay, so the incubation update. So as some of you have seen it either in GitHub, if you're following the issue on the TOC repo, or you've seen my message in the Kubescape Slack, the public commenting period for Kubescape has ended officially, and Emily submitted us the GitHub issue of the Kubescape incubation to voting, which means there is 6 months to vote by the TOC members for us. Hopefully, like I've seen already 3 of them already voted, and they've already submitted the positive feedback. So we need still 4 votes in order to get voted into the incubation. And fingers crossed, if so, we are going to be in incubation by next KubeCon, which is the first week of April, if I'm not mistaken.
Yay!
So for right now, we need to lay back and just manage the event. But it means that like we will have tons of work afterwards because we have to live up to the expectation now. That's my
Cool. And we have Betzalel who joined. Hi,
Oh,
Bez.
Hi guys, how you doing?
good to see you.
You too, guys.
Yeah. So, that's on my part. Oshrat, roadmap updates.
I just want to mention 2 things. One is I had an action item from a month ago, which I did not get to. But I will add it to my board and then I'll get to it because I'll remember to do it. And another thing is that we wanted to update that the old roadmap board has been deprecated and we are only working on one board so as not to confuse the community. So thanks for that, Ben.
Okay, good. I think now it's time for the triage. Few issues. And then some PRs. Good.
I will also add to Oshrat. Can you put here the doc on in the chat? Thanks.
Okay. This one. I'm not sure. It's anyway a feature. It's just to not forget that we need to look at the new way of writing the inspector gadget plugins. This looks like the same, but it
Yeah.
was not VJ. It was maybe his colleague who reported this.
So the relevant framework. Yeah. So this is I think this is the more or less the same issue or same area of problems that was reported also on Slack by Adonis.
Yeah.
And we might want to duplicate this because I guess these are more or less more I would say, yeah, definitely accepted as an issue. I would again, do you want me to look up the other issue?
Well, if it's there, I should have it.
It should be
But
somewhere around.
I'm currently working on actually a few PRs to allow the air gap runs for the Kubescape microservice.
Oh, really? So
Yeah.
this is like, okay, so we have to, let's be in sync on that because will it serve, like how did you want to solve that problem?
So this is what we said yesterday. So I'm gonna download
The Rego library into
the
and
Rego
take it into
library,
the
yeah, and
image.
all the controls inside the image, and then add an option to not try to fetch them.
Okay.
So because here we get like lots of timeouts, and I have like one issue about something with the downloaded frameworks. I don't know. We don't. There is something that doesn't work. So I'm just like working on this. But
Okay.
yeah, within 1 or 2 days we should have it. So.
Okay.
But this is like completely. So this is something completely different, right? It's more more general.
So let's see solution proposal. No,
Yeah, the local source. Yeah. So actually, this one can leverage what I'm starting to do.
yeah, this is something that should be working. Do we have a process of like we have the functionality of downloading the artifacts from Rego library repository, right? So
Yes, with the Kubescape CLI, and then we just have
so
to.
I
But
ideally
maybe I will just publish like a small script or a small, I don't know, a small executable to do this.
so I think that we should reuse the Kubescape download capability, which downloads the artifacts, and someone could use it to map the files through a volume like this gentleman mentions here
Mhm.
to the microservice. And this way we'll also solve the problem of air gapping and the updates.
Yeah.
That would be the best. So do you think that you can like add it into one of your PRs? Because again, Kubescape should be able to read this from a local. The microservice should be able to read this from a local.
Yeah, it is. It's just I need to set some parameters, like use default or that's the command line flag, and then it will take the. Yeah. So yeah, but anyway, I think this one will be easy once I have the other one working.
Okay.
So yeah, that's good. I'll keep it open. Why did I create this? This was to put in the roadmap, I think. No. I think when we clean the roadmap, we added this.
Yeah.
That's definitely a feature. This feature. Yeah, again, that's all the things that we created for the roadmap.
Mm.
Yeah. For this one, I need some time to like redo completely the CI for this project. And actually, I talked to Rotem, and maybe like soon I will have a few days to redo the whole CI/CD for Kubescape, and then I can reuse this for other repos. I would like to use maximum what is offered by Go Releaser, because this is what like most open source projects use in Go.
Yeah.
So yeah. This is important one. Oh yeah. This one as well. Oh, Bez.
Yes. Actually, this one reported by Adonis.
Yeah.
Ah, yes.
I attached here in the additional contact the issue number. I don't think it's it's a huge effort, but the testing here is a little bit tricky.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, this one is actually almost done.
Are you using the HTML?
I think there is even a PR for it. Let me see. Yeah, here. Yeah. I'm not sure I did the link. Not sure. Okay, anyway. Now let's see the PRs. Okay, so this one is ongoing. Ah, you see that's what I was working on. I told you there is one coming for Kubescape also. This one needs reviewer. What's that? Okay, he probably forgot about this one. I will check with Amir. Yeah. This is needs reviewer. Yeah. I don't know. I will have a look at this one. And this one is a need reviewer. Okay.
What is this?
That's the one that I told you about the virtual CRDs.
Yep.
Well, it's approved, so I can actually merge it.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Looks good. Some point we need to prioritize working on these.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, good. Do we have anything to add? Ben. Yeah, but you said already about air gapped Kubescape
Yeah,
operator.
so
issues.
he had like I was wondering, like there is still another, like we have like two air gapped issues, right? So one
Yeah.
we have the issue of the Kubescape configuration scanning, and also we have the image scanning DB.
Yeah.
So I was wondering if there is a way to map the database as a volume into the configuration scanning. Sorry, not configure the image scanning capability.
Yeah, I mean it should work. Wait. Now.
So we can download. We'll use the original one, like it has in the local.
Yeah, I think in kubevuln we still call the download. So there should be like an option to say we want to use the one in the volume.
Yeah.
But I don't
I
know
think-
which one is the easiest for the admin. Actually, we could have like a GitHub action that publishes a gripe offline DB, image, like weekly or like, I don't know, every few days. And then people just update this image in the Helm chart or in the deployment, and then we pull from this one.
Yeah.
Exactly like we do with the offline DB in our tests.
Yeah. Yeah. That like from my point of view, it sounds good.
Yeah.
Like
Okay. But we need to generate this image because it used to be generated by someone at VMware, but he stopped doing it. So maybe we should like use a bit of the CNCF compute and
yeah. Well, we could. That's also an option. Okay. Do you want to open a ticket for that and also reference to
Yeah.
the users?
Yes, I will do a ticket for that.
Yeah.
Okay. I will link the ticket to the page. Okay. Cool. Good. Anything else?
No, not on my side. I think I'm okay. I'm also anyone who hears this. We are looking for contributors. We have like a few requests by users. And currently I think all the maintainers are more or less busy with all their things. So we have like nice features and not too complicated features that would, like day or two work could be like the things we talked about of the downloading, the vulnerability database and so on. These things could be like would be a good issue for someone who wants to join the the project as a contributor. So anyone who hears this out and there are welcome to contribute, and we are more than happy to guide you guys and have you involved here. Cool.
Okay.
Thank you. Was
Thank
nice
you,
seeing you
everyone.
again, Biz.
See you in 2
Thank you.
weeks.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Nice to see you again.
Bye bye.
It was nice to
Bye,
see you,
guys.
Viz. Bye.
Bye.